Taurus, hi. இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிற டாபிக் இஸ் மணி கம்மிங் இன் ஆர் நாட். ஓகே, like any financial issues or money is on the way or not, or it will be coming in the future or not, அந்த மாதிரி வந்து பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். If you want to book a private or personal reading, the number is in the description box and the personal readings are chargeable. ஒரு கைடன்ஸ் எனக்கு வந்து வேணும், இது வந்து எப்படி நடக்கும்னு வந்து எனக்கு I want to know the idea, is it the right time or not, I want to know the idea. You can book a reading with me. And moreover, like என்னோட இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் பேஜ் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது, யூ கேன் ஃபாலோ அப் மீ தேர். ஓகே, இட்ஸ் பிகின். Taurus. I feel like either you're concentrating on your love life or on your family life. I don't think so. Like இப்போதைக்கு இருக்கிறது வந்து போதும், because you're so committed to your family life or something, so you're not concentrating about the money or thing right now. You feel very abandoned, you feel like betrayed, you feel like your concentration is on something else, and I don't see your concentration over here for the money. Your total concentration is on the family. Why not going upwards is here. And also getting this Seven of Wands, which is telling me, like, you're the one drawing boundaries to earn money. If you go out, if you ask money, if you work, if you work very hard, definitely you'll earn money. The problem is you're the drawing the boundaries for yourself. Let's see. A lot of things running in your mind. A lot of things running in your mind. Definitely I feel like you're wasting your time on the arguments or winning the arguments or something else. It's better to concentrate on your work. Then the rest will definitely fall on the place. If you keep on argumenting with people, if you keep on being so rude, or if you keep fighting for if you keep wasting your time, then definitely things will not fall in your place if you're looking out for money here. Okay, see, this is a general thing. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, please skip the video. But in a lot of if you're doing it alone, then this does not resonate. But if you're working along with the people, you need to work a lot of work. Hard work is very much needed here. Okay, and your intuition is always trying to something. Try the positive thoughts within your mind. Don't feed the negative thoughts to your subconscious mind or something like that. So I just want you to um, you know update to your subconscious mind with the positive thoughts, with the positive thoughts. Only then you can able to overcome these hurdles, because you are the one drawing boundaries here, not the god. nothing Nothing else, because your concentration is on somewhere else, not on the money. Why the three of swords is here? Three of Swords is clarified by the Two of Swords and the Ten of Wands. Maybe, as I told you, like your concentration or somewhere else, maybe on the work commitments when the irregular, that is why you're not concentrating on money. The Two of Swords, I'm getting a lot of swords here, which tells me swords is always a problem. Either you are in pain, either if not, things are not happening, the actions are not taking place from your side. The half of the thing is from your side, and remaining half of the thing is from the universe side. Okay, what I ask you to do is do your best from your side. If it is happening or not, at least you can gain the experience. Yes, you feel totally abandoned, disappointed. There is lot of things running in your mind because you're concentrating on something else. Because only if the family is so happy, you can go out, you can earn, and you can do business or anything else. I don't know whether it could be the health issues too. I'm not it could be anything, but the concentration is not on the money. Okay, this is what the problem is here for you. Thank you so much. Let's spread on Lelo.